channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon, जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So if your English is not good, you want to improve your English, so please join this video. So in this video, we are going to learn that if I speak in English, my mind goes blank. What can we do for that? Why it happens so? So if you have this type problem, so please watch this video till end. So now we are going to give some tips. It happens because we don't know some more vocabulary. We have no knowledge about more vocabulary. By that, if we speak, my mind goes blank. Vocabulary is more important for speaking. If we know simple words, we know. If we don't use them, so our vocabulary will not improve and our English speaking will not improve. We have to use, we know that words, daily use words we know, but we do not use, because if we use them, so we can remember them for a long time. If we know we have some new vocabulary, we have to use in our daily life. If we do not use in daily life, so we do not remember them. We have to use them continuously. By that, we can remember them lifetime. And second point is that you are not doing practice regularly. If you do practice regularly, your mind will not go blank. You have to do practice for listening, reading, writing and speaking. You have to speak with, if you don't have any partner, so you can make conversation with people. That is a good place. You can talk on YouTube. There are many people, they are making conversation with each other. By that, they are improving our English. If you want improve your English like those people, so you can use that Skype app and you can send those people mail. By mail, you will contact them. You have to wait reply of those people. If you get session with them, you can make conversation with that. In starting, you will fumble a lot and you will feel agitation and words will not come in your mind. But if you make conversation continuously, so you will get habit. And what you have to do, you have to take some new words, 1-2 words daily. You have to take a notebook, you have to write there. And whenever you make conversation with someone, and you can take your notebook and you can use those words continuously. If you are using 1-2 days daily, so it will come in your mind automatically. If you are not using them, so it will not come in your mind. So first you have to work on your spoken. So it should be that continuously you are speaking continuously, like that you are making conversation. That that in starting I was also like that. Word doesn't come in my mind, and I was not able to speak because I had agitation. Word doesn't come. What should I speak? So that is we think that what we should use grammar rules. So we know that some rules we know, simple rules we should know. We have to not learn more vocabulary and more. You have to use simple vocabulary. After that, if you are comfortable to speak those words in sentence, so you can take any advanced vocabulary. First, you have to use simple vocabulary. You have to not go and deeply, grammar. So if you are going this type, you are doing this type work, so you are going to not learn English speaking. So if you want to learn English speaking, you have to practice regularly, and you have to speak, you have to make conversation with people. In starting you will feel hesitation, but after some time you will be habitual with this, and you will be comfortable to make conversation with each other. If you are liking my video, please watch this video and subscribe my channel. If you are new, and subscribe. So if you want to improve your English, so you have to practice on reading also. If you read books daily, so you will get sentence structure, where should we use that, on that. You will get everything in that, and you will get new words in that. You have to not take more words. If you take more words, it will not help you. You will forget and you will not use them. So you have to take 1-2 words daily. You have to not take more, and you have to use them in your daily conversation. By that, your vocabulary will improve and your conversation will be longer, and you will be practically speaking, and you can speak whatever you want to speak. You have to share your feeling with with people, different people. You have to make conversation, and daily routine you have to make that reading, writing, listening and spoken. You have to do practice regularly. You have to not skip. You are speaking only 1-2 days, and you are doing rest for 4 days and 3 days. It is not good. If you are doing like that, your practice stop there. You feel again that hesitation comes again, and you first you think, and then your mind goes blank. So you have to not do like that. You have to do practice regularly. If you are doing any you can make conversation with your friends. You can make conversation with that children. If you are a housewife, you can make conversation with your children. By that, your children will also learn English, and you can also improve. If they are learning and they are speaking with you, if they are speaking wrong, you can correct them. By that, you will also improve. If you are correcting someone, and if you are, so you will get their mistake. You will get where are they making mistake. So you have to correct them, and you have to not think about more vocabulary or grammar. If you think like that, first you have to practice for speaking. If you don't know that how to speak, you have hesitation and you are using advanced vocabulary, so it is not going to help you. First you have to habitual with that simple vocabulary. By that, your English will improve and your conversation skills will also improve. So people will get interest with you if you are speaking well. Your talking way is good, your explanation is good, so people will make that interest in your conversation. So you have to think about daily practice, you can, if you want improve more your English early, so you can make 1-2 conversation daily. By that, your spoken practice will be done there. And second point, you can read and write whatever you discuss any topic. You can take any topic today that you have to, daily you have to take any topic and you have to discuss on that topic. By that, your speaking will improve and that you will get ideas. By that, you are making discussion on any topic, you will get new ideas. How to speak, how should we make conversation with people, and you can get there are people living and what are they doing. you can know about those people, those are making conversation with you. You can ask them, what are you doing for practice? So you will get some new ideas by that, and you will think that yes, I should also do like this, that those are doing. So if you are doing continuously that work, so your English is going to improve and your mind will not goes blank. First it goes blank because you have hesitation. You think more about grammar. You more think about vocabulary. Vocabulary will improve if you are using one word daily. It will automatically improve in your speaking. So you have to pick a word daily. You have to write on notebook, and you can. And second point, last point is that you can, new word you are getting, you can write on your notebook, and you have to make, by using that you have to make some sentence. And with people you can share some idioms, some phrases, by that person will also get, and you can ask them that what is some new idioms, what are some new phrases, tell me, I don't know. So they will tell you, then by that you will get correctly, and you will try to speak that. You will try to use that if you are listening from others, because you feel that I will do tomorrow and next day if you are doing alone. So by that, if you are making conversation, you are getting idea from your partner, so it is good. You have to follow that. So if you like my videos, people, and so if you like my videos, please like and share. If you are new, so subscribe my channel before watching video. And if you're liking my video, please watch from starting to end. So if you want this type videos, this information video, so please join my channel and subscribe. Okay, thank you.